Here today we got a 1958 Chevrolet Impala hardtop here at Rumley Motors in Greensboro, North Carolina. It's what I call a clean driver condition car. It's not a showpiece, not fresh restored, but it's far from junk as well. You know, presentable cruiser. It's blue interior. The seats and the carpet are new, so they look pretty good. Door panels are used. Does have air ride. You can see the air ride stuff in the middle there. Spinner hubcaps on the front, wide white wall tires. It's got a 348 motor with the tri-power carburetors. It's got disc brakes in the front with the power booster. Runs good. It's got the rocker moldings on the bottom. Cruiser skirts in the back. They are aftermarket. They're not original Foxcraft cruiser skirts. Continental kit in the back. There's a little spot in the paint right here. You know, it's got a few nicks and scratches. Just driver quality is what I call it. Piece of trim right here is kind of banged up a little bit. It's got the dual antennas on the back. They are new. Again, this 1958 Chevrolet Impala is available here at Rumley Motors in Greensboro, North Carolina. We do have financing available and can ship it straight to your door. If you're interested in it, send us a message or give us a call. We'll be glad to help you out. 1958 Chevrolet Impala hardtop here at Rumley Motors in Greensboro, North Carolina.